Alright guys, just want to do a little video on the Stillphase Pro Series headphones. Just a few little sort of maintenance tips and things to look out for. First of all, you've got some adjustment points. Now, these two little thumb screws, if you loosen them, basically allows you to spread out the headband, so that'll accommodate different head sizes and whether you're wearing a beanie or a hat or whatever. So adjust them to suit and then keep an eye on them, make sure they're nice and tight. It takes a fair bit to loosen them right off, but keep them tightened up so you don't have any issues. When you've got them adjusted, your little connecting cable that connects the two ear cups, you can make sure that one side there's so much excess on one side and not enough on the other side. So you can pull that through, just even them out, so you've got an equal amount of cable on either side. Then your last point of adjustment is the actual swivel point, which holds the little U brackets to the sliding arms, and that's right here. Now there's also a little plastic washer just in between there, which provides a little bit of friction, but it provides a little bit of free movement and prevents sort of metal on metal rubbing. So make sure your washer's in there. And with a lot of movement, these do get a little bit loose. Now, they are lock nuts, but lock nuts are just sort of reduced, increased friction, you can call it. It doesn't lock them in place. So little 7mm is all you need, and you can tighten them up. You don't want to over tighten them because you still want a little bit of movement, but you don't want them super loose, so you're losing them as well. Okay. And I guess the other thing is keep an eye on your plugs. Make sure your plugs aren't wearing out. Keep them nice and clean. You can use isopropyl alcohol or a bit of contact cleaner. Don't use anything that's a lubricating cleaner like WD-40, because it will just attract, you'll get micro grit and dust sticking to it. And then when you're plugging in and out of your headphone socket, it's going to introduce wear. All right. The last one is your ear pads. Now these are foam and gel filled ear pads. So it's sort of like memory foam. When you squish down, they'll come out and expand basically to the shape of your head. They're quite hard wearing, but they don't like chemicals. So make sure you don't get sunscreen or insect repellent on them. And if you get sweaty, or you should do this anyway, just periodically get a damp cloth, dampen it with some warm water, and just wipe them down. Obviously don't get water inside into the driver elements, but a damp cloth to clean your ear pads. Yeah, just keep them nice and clean, keep the chemicals off, and you should get good life out of them. If they do wear out, and they will eventually wear out like all ear pads, you know, replacements of these are available. All right, I hope you learned something. Catch you on the next video.